What is good mga champion, and welcome back to another video. So for today's video guys, I will share with you ano nga ba yung mga advantages of being a funded trader. Okay, let me just clarify, I am not a funded trader. I do have my own personal account, but I'm speaking on behalf of majority of my students that are funded. Okay, so again, thank you so much to all my VIP champion students all over the globe, subscribers, followers, and kung sino pa lahat ng mga sumusuporta. Thank you so much. Right? So, first advantage of being a funded trader, pinaka-importante is you will have an access to a much bigger capital. Okay? So, marami ngayong firm na nag-offer na iba't ibang challenges, okay, for in return of a bigger capital management. Okay? So, ibig sabihin yan, bago mo makuha yan, ma-avail yung mga malalaking capital na yan, let's say $5,000, $10,000, up to 300,000 USD or 150,000 USD, you will have certain challenges, okay, that you have to meet based on their own terms and conditions. Okay, so again, marami kasi akong nare-receive na gusto nilang maging funded trader. So I don't have a specific recommendation naman pagdating sa mga firms, but nevertheless, do your own research. Ang importante is instead na kasi ibang difficulty, no, is wala silang malaking kapital, lalo na yung mga intermediate traders na para makapag-trade on a long term or masustain yung lifestyle nila. So one way is yun nga, maging funded trader ka. Of course, there's certain fees na kailangan bayaran, and you have to meet in challenges para maging funded trader ka. So again, yun na lang yung pag-ipunan mo. Go for that challenge kung ano may ini-aim mong capital na i-manage. And yeah, so that is one advantage. You will be having an access to a much bigger capital. Okay? So second, of course, isa sa pinaka-importante rin is of course, you will develop yung proper risk management. Bakit? Itong mga firms na yan, they do have predefined risk limits. So it will have an advantage for you para mas ma-develop pa or mas mag-improve pa yung inyong risk management skills, kasi you will be having a limited like drawdown pagdating doon sa pagte-trade mo. So ibig sabihin, meron lang certain percentage na ito lang yung pwede mong matalo, or magkaroon ka ng drawdown at certain percentages na hanggang doon ka lang. Okay, so it will limit your trading like trading volume, but nevertheless it will help you practice more of handling a much bigger capital, and in return, diba, na-improve din yung psychological aspect of handling a bigger account. So sabi ko nga sa mga estudyante ko, if you cannot manage a small account, definitely hindi mo kaya mag-manage ng mas malaking account. Susunugin mo lang yan. So again, para sa mga nagsisimula or intermediate, take advantage of you having that real trading experience kahit maliit pa yung account nyo. Alright? And third is, syempre, nandiyan na papasok yung profit sharing. So syempre, pag funded ka, mas malaking minamanage mong capital or account, is merong mga firms na nag-offer of like 80-20 split. Ibig sabihin, 80% of the profit na kikitain mo is sa'yo mo pupuntahin, 20% dun sa firm. Yung iba naman, as much as like higher than like for example 90%, which is good, diba? So but nevertheless, they always have their own terms and conditions na kailangan mong ma-meet. Okay, so that is why you have to do your own research. Basahin nyo maigi yung mga terms and conditions para hindi ma-terminate yung inyong contract or agreement dun sa firm. Okay? So again, these are just the top 3 advantages of being a funded trader. So again, access to a much bigger capital. Okay? Personal development on risk management skills. Okay? At the same time, yung profit sharing, which will, of course, provide you a much bigger gain pagdating dun sa pagtitrade mo on the long term. Okay, masustain yung gusto mong lifestyle. So yeah, so this is just a short video para sa inyo guys, and I hope you keep supporting me, and I will do a lot of videos para mas ma-improve pa yun yung technicals and some other aspects ng pagtitrade. So again, I do appreciate all your comments, all your messages privately as well, lahat nag-i-email, and also dun sa mga nag-enroll. Okay, so thank you so much, and that will be it for today. God bless you, and see you on the next video. Bye-bye. So I just want to inform and announce that our TFE VIP Champion Student private Discord community is already up. And yeah, here we have several channels wherein we share our technical trading ideas among each other. And of course, we also have our weekly trade ideas para sa ating mga weekly forecast para sa mga currency pairs. And some announcement section. And of course, since tayo ay global, of course, we have other students as well na galing sa mga ibang bansa overseas. So here we introduce ourselves and introduce kung saan tayo galing, sa bansa tayo ngayon, OFW man o hindi. But nevertheless, this is a healthy community para mag-share ng mga trading ideas para sa inyo guys. And hopefully, I will be putting up a server publicly para sa mga baguhan naman and those mga followers and subscribers natin. Alright? So yeah, this is just a minor announcement, and hopefully guys, you can join us and make this community grow, lalo na sa ating mga estudyante nag-aaral. Alright guys, so mga baguhan pa lang. But nevertheless, everyone here wants to learn, wants to make profit from the market, but as much as possible, we're all equal in the eyes of the market. Alright guys, so that would be it. So yun lang, and thank you very much. Alright.